Welcome to the new and improved Marine Debris Tracker. We're so excited that you're joining our open data citizen science movement. Let's get tracking. Our new app is more scientifically rigorous and more fun than ever. All you have to do to get started is click Start Tracking. You can then select a list to track with. We have lists from over 25 organizations in a variety of different languages. If you're not sure who to use, we recommend starting with NOAA, the National Oceanographic and Atmospheric Administration's Marine Debris List. If you're not sure and want more details on a list, click the I icon or the Info button. Once you select a list, you'll be able to see who the top trackers are. Make it a goal to reach this board yourself. Each list has a variety of sections, which are now easy to scroll back and forth between. Just click the yellow button at the top to go directly to the list requested. You can then click the triangle button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen to go back to the top of the list. We've also added some other cool features, including a section called Favorites. To add an item to Favorites, simply click the star icon in the top left-hand corner of an item. This will add it to your Favorites section, which you can again access by clicking the Favorites section at the top of the screen. You can easily remove items by selecting the star again to remove it from your favorites. It's easy to log multiple items at a time. Simply click the up or down arrows to add more than one item. You can also click directly on the number to be able to type into the box. Then click Add and your item will go to the trash can at the top. You will feel your phone buzz and you can see the trash can open and add another number. You can also easily add a description to an item by clicking the I icon. This is also where you'll be able to see a description of an item if the list creator has provided one. The question mark logo will take you to our website where you can find this video anytime for your reference. You can also click the camera button to add a photo to your logging session. We recommend taking photos at the end of your logging session to show all the items you've collected. Simply click the Use Photo button and it will be added to your log. You can access your profile features by clicking the turtle icon in the center of the screen. If you're not logged in, you'll be able to do so here. You can also link your account to SciStarter and Facebook. If you'd like to change your username, you can do so at any time. Just remember it for logging into our website and accessing your data. The Play/Pause button at the bottom of the screen turns path logging on and off. Path logging is a feature that allows us to track where you go while you collect litter in order to ensure our data is scientifically and statistically rigorous. Path logging starts automatically when you log your first item. You can pause it if you stop tracking, or if you would not like us to be able to track where you've gone. You can also delete your path log at the end of a tracking session if you would not like to share that information. Click the Settings tile to see your current GPS accuracy as well as set a personal minimum GPS accuracy to increase the quality of your data set. If your current GPS accuracy exceeds your minimum GPS accuracy when you try to log an item, you'll receive a notification that asks you to wait for improved GPS accuracy. You can also turn on and off the vibrating function that occurs when you log an item and change the units in which your total distance is shown. Once you're done tracking, hit the orange forward arrow. This will take you to a screen where you can select which items you'd like to view. If you log something accidentally, just click it and then you can hit the X to delete. You can also delete your path log by selecting Delete Path in the bottom right-hand corner of your map. Once your tracking session looks accurate, go ahead and click Submit. If you have access to data or internet, go ahead and click Submit Session to upload your data to our public online database. If you do not have access to Wi-Fi or data, go ahead and click Save Session. You can then go back to the home screen where you'll be able to access your saved sessions later. Clicking on a saved session will bring it up again, and then you can submit it when you have access to internet or data. Logging in, submitting data, and loading new updated lists are the only steps where the app needs to access internet or data. Other than that, you can use the Marine Debris Tracker app anywhere, even if you don't have access to Wi-Fi or data. All you need is a GPS signal. If you'd like to share your tracking with us, just create a MDT social media story. You can add a map or a photo to your story and tweet it at us or share it on Facebook. We'd love to see where you're tracking. Find us on Twitter, Facebook, and Pinterest at Debris Tracker and let us know how you like the new app. And don't forget to use our online publicly accessible database to explore a map of litter created by citizen scientists from all over the world. Thank you for tracking.